Paine ground, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, East Condo Hangars for IFR departure with Foxtrot.
Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, Paine ground, runway 16 left, active via Foxtrot.
16 left via Foxtrot, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. We're up to operating temperature. Okay, since we're commercial pilots, we have to taxi on the line. Okay. Paine Tower, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, holding short of 16 left at Foxtrot 1, ready for IFR departure.
Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, Paine Tower, runway 16 left, takeoff.
There for takeoff, 16 left, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. Runway heading.
Temperature 3 Delta Sierra, contact failed departure.
Contact departure 3 Delta Sierra. Channel departure, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra off Paine, 1,300 climbing 2,000.
243 Delta Sierra departure with a contact, maintain 3,000, and what's your first approach request?
3,000. 3,000, and we'd like the ILS 20 at Bremerton.
3 Delta Sierra, Roger, semi.
3 Delta Sierra.
3 Delta Sierra, Roger, expect RNAV runway 20 at Bremerton.
3 Delta Sierra. Yeah.
Weapon 3 Delta Sierra, turn right, heading 240 vectors. Finally, you clear to the Bremerton Airport via that heading.
Okay, right 240, cleared vectors to Bremerton, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Sierra, turn left, heading 210 for traffic at 2 o'clock, 3 miles southeastbound, altitude indicates 3,000.
Left 210, looking for the traffic, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
3 Delta Sierra, contact approach on 120.1.
120.1, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. Yeah, just a second. Channel approach, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, 3,000 on the RNAV 20.
243 Delta Sierra, Seattle approach, you're 7 miles from Walmex, cleared RNAV, runway 20 approach.
Cleared RNAV 20 at Bremerton, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Multiple aircraft calling out once again, 3 Delta Sierra, so after this you're going to do public miss and back to Paine.
3 Delta Sierra, affirmative.
Alright, 3 Delta Sierra, radar service terminated, frequency change approved, talk to you on the timeout.
Okay, 3 Delta Sierra, I'll call you on the miss. Bremerton traffic, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra is 4 miles out, low approach only.
Traffic, helicopter 2 Romeo X-ray is taking off 20 left field traffic. We'll be out of your way with 7 off Bremerton.
Bremerton traffic, experimental 3 Tango uniform, departing 20, departing the east.
Bremerton traffic, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, 3 miles northeast. We're doing a low approach on runway 20, then departing straight out. Bremerton.
Bremerton area traffic, helicopter 422 Romeo X-ray.
These guys shouldn't be flying around VFR.
20.
Barely VFR.
Bunch of scud runners.
Yeah. Bremerton traffic, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, 1.5 mile final, 20, low approach only, departing straight out. Bremerton. $680. Wow, it's amazing what could have got us right here.
Yeah, that's crazy, huh? There you go.
Bremerton area traffic, down 300, missed approach. 20, departing straight out. Seattle approach, Diamond Star 243, Delta Sierra, missed approach, Bremerton 1,400, climbing 4,000.
Alright, 243 Delta Sierra, Seattle departure, ident.
3 Delta Sierra, ident. Got it.
Alright, 3 Delta Sierra, radar contact to South Bremerton Airport, advise when you want to pick up your clearance to Paine, climb maintain 3,000.
I maintain 3,000 and stand by 1. Seattle approach, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra is ready to copy a clearance to Paine.
Alright, 243 Delta Sierra, clear to Paine Field via radar vectors, turn left heading 070, climb maintain 4,000.
Okay, clear to Paine via radar vectors, left heading 070 and climb maintain 4,000, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Alright, 3 Delta Sierra, advising you have Paine information, Foxtrot.
3 Delta Sierra has Foxtrot.